Let's make a homemade herbal cough syrup. You'll only need 5 simple ingredients: mullein to open the lungs and ease congestion, ginger for warmth and circulation, cinnamon to fight off bacteria and soothe the throat, peppermint to clear the airways and cool inflammation, and raw honey to coat and calm the throat naturally. Add 4 cups of water to a pot, combine your herbs, and bring to a boil. Then reduce to a simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the liquid reduces by half. Strain through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Let it cool and stir in your honey. Store it in the fridge. It'll last up to 2 months. It's cozy, nourishing, and perfect to have on hand all winter long.